Hello, it's your teacher, Miss Esther, and today we're going to learn about the letter C. This is C, the caterpillar. And you notice C has something in her hands. Can you see that? It's a pair of scissors. And when C, the caterpillar, cuts, it's making this sound. I've got my scissors. Let's hear the sound. Ready? Did you hear that? That's the same sound we're going to make. We're going to have pretend scissors in our hands and make the sound as we pretend to cut a leaf, just like C, the caterpillar is doing. So she can eat the leaf and turn into a butterfly. So here we go.
The caterpillar crawls carefully up a cottonwood tree to find countless colourful leaves that she can cut and consume. Is the sound she makes as she cuts the countless colourful leaves. She continues to cut. She constantly cuts. See the caterpillar.
It's a lot of cutting. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a leaf and we're going to put it under this paper that's found in the Amazing Action Alphabet Activity book. And once you put it under, you find the side that has the veins sticking out. And you take a crayon and do a leaf rubbing on top. And eventually it will look like this. And then you can take your scissors and cut out all the different shaped leaves. Not fun? So then another thing that's super enjoyable to have for a snack is taking a simple Ritz round cracker, and when you cut into it, it turns into the same shape as C, the caterpillar. So that's perfect. Okay, and a phonemic activity that I love is when you take all the letters you've learned and put them on cookies, and then you steal a cookie. Let's see. And then I'll say, who stole the k from the cookie jar? C stole the k from the cookie jar. And then you can eat it when you're all done. So those of you that are ready to go to the next level, in the Amazing Action Alphabet beginning reader book is talking about the cycle of a caterpillar. But before we get to the story, the word family is listed right here. It's at and am. And I like, that's found right here, I like to take it, the word family, and place it on the three parts of a caterpillar. So this says at, and then you can take the letter, put it at the first part of the caterpillar. So now it's cat, and hat, and so forth. And then you can take the back side, change that out. Now it's the am family. There's cam, ham, and so forth. So then you're ready to read the story. You can highlight the word has before you read the story, because that's the key word that's kind of a tricky word for a lot of people. Let's see, there's the word has. And then after that, you're ready to read the story. So here, the main character in the story is the caterpillar and the cat. So the cat's holding the egg. And then eventually the cat is holding the caterpillar because the egg opened up. So it says the cat has a caterpillar. And then it says the cat has a leaf. The caterpillar is eating the leaf, and then it turns into the cocoon, and eventually into the butterfly. Just like the cycle of a caterpillar, right here. Okay, so now let's review the letters we've talked about so far. Let's do the last three. Big B, little b, 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 b. Big H, little h, ha, ha, ha. This is what we did today. Big C, little c, k, k, k. Perfect. So if you want to remember where these are at, the website is www.cheredocompany.com.